Welcome to CPC's AseptiQuik C Best Practices and Assembly video. Before we begin, please reference these product specifications for best operating results. Assembling the AseptiQuik C is a quick and easy three-step process. Click, pull, twist. To start, remove the protective cover on each connector half. Bring each connector half together. Continue to push each connector half together until you hear an audible click. A slight rotation of the blue lock ring may be required. Snap the membrane pull tabs together on each connector half. Avoid pulling the membranes at an angle and pull directly away from the connector. Twist the blue lock ring clockwise until it clicks, making sure the arrow on the connector body is in line with the blue arrow on the connector insert to guarantee a properly assembled unit prior to fluid transfer. If you have further questions about best practices for assembling the AseptiQuik C, please contact CPC customer service at cpcworldwide.com/contact us.